Ebusianfo me mama kwaba edeba exposed so na ense bi na etwi kobreman e wo social media. Ababa we bi na waba asem amote se emra ye nuaba bi a ohini e wo mankasim ene self acclaim osofo ya omuka bamu a omukun gay ya esie ni wodem no. Wei na ababa we bi a wo se gay yie pa wo se aso gay kire se o onu de o school mu na school mu kra no omuko program bi kakra omoye away from omo campus nti ho na network ni wo onu posti wo ne TikTok page no enkonfo nheda nhwe onu anim ne ho onim se nheda ni followers nipa kakra bi na ebehwe ba wei na e wo ne TikTok page no oba o freeze program ni ba na obedu school bi ne TikTok page no we na better rest in peace. Oh, rest in peace. May your soul rest in peace. And I say, hey, menya aso. Semu nima aso mposa obehwa onya aso onima so bebia ebia gap teeth na wo onu nisim ba onu no onye nurse onko nursing school da bebia owa ne se owo ni college osua na de osua geology omo ya geology nenim ni America ena wosa kire se mumpo mo nhwe ono eno ye dimple sam no kire se owo dimple na dimple na owo no mopa mo nkwohwe aso eni dimple owie ye no ena another video o send tribute na oma tribute e dia kire aso na wo ye disclaimer chenkofo se osere mo oni ma so busua obebia onya aso busuani ebia se na wo ye den ose no ba nu kra no they still what differ iti anu kakra no de ye den ode pa abonten ebusuanfo moma ye nkohwe video no.
Wait, Mr. Mo, I need to do some clarifications, okay? Okay, yes, go your call baby kaka na baby a coin network ni hosa and your crab ya sinti like ya buy ya bread. So I just posted a video yesterday and me buy no and me host notifications now echo high, so I was a little bit surprised because people normally don't like my videos and comments, but me buy and that also. So me nya time me share me reading comments no. Some people are thinking say me wu I'm Asor, but I want to tell you all say me nya Asor. Asor have a gap teeth though. I also have a gap teeth, but me nya Asor. I have a dimple. She don't have a dimple. It's not me nya Asor. Me nya nurse who school crowd me ko bida. Me sia geology old school, so like I was a little bit surprised. So me person me yes say I'm not Asor. Hello, Hellas Hope. Shoutouts to the unfinished dreams at the cemetery. People wanted to make it and people were willing to make it. Hellas Hope was to help the needy and also be the sources of blessing for others. There are many unfinished dreams at the cemetery. It's not because they were lazy. It's because they died early. Hellas Hope. Rest well, Asor. Nanti ye nana nyanya minshraw. Adin kamfo abaye bio. Wan baye ninyina. Nanti ye obaso nana nyanya minshraw.
Emo ababa we a na ho fepa. Na me ka kira wo se adwumeku a eso ya se enye wo bia se ni truth se enkofo bia ma ne mbebo ko chense so ye den. Emma ewiase enipa na mu awodo. No matter how you are created, there are still people you are going to meet who resemble you one way or the other. Yes, you know, the lady who died or was badly killed by a king in Mankasim, and one of that pastor who linked the lady to the king. Yes, a lady has come out to make a disclaimer that people have come on a TikTok page writing rest in peace to her. And she's disclaiming that no, she is not that lady called Asor. She doesn't know her from anywhere. She has not even studied nursing before. She is just a geology student. In any other way, in the video, as you can see, she was saying a tribute to the lady who has lost her life. and trying to say a words of sorry to the family. But yes, they have lost a treasurable lady. But yeah, the law itself will take place since these people have been held in custody. Ebusuafo na mede mu asia. Me a mede dwumadi yi ebro mede ndile mu Elikem Kwame Amega. Obetumi afrɛ me Efo Kent Asende Ebeseshia.
Oniadofo de ne wo haw de ne wadwendwen de ne wo kodan na edan na wasiewie na wo penchensen papa de abosom anadan a wotimo na senso to a enwuno enunti ama wonna akwakoye bisi basa ene enne me de asempa enam natural things ebie wo mo ensem de amasan krofo ni nyina se tutumi kana bra wo mo akache na wo mo emmeso wo haw no ano emfa ema enunti fa wo mo number e wo screen no eso na eni wo mo endi eye kasubo sase wo madwuma so aninti no adansifo agye womo atum natural things ana womo adwuma edanso na wontu sika engu da biara eda